Hey everyone, Arthur here from Canadian LED, supporting churches and venues across Canada with professional LED solutions. Today, we're tackling one of the most common decisions church leaders face. Should your church choose projector or the LED video wall? Let's break it down. Your display system impacts everything: worship, sermons, engagement, and even attendance. So choosing the right option for your sanctuary really matters. And before we start obviously comparing those two options, let's try to understand the technology behind each solution. Each LED wall has thousands of tiny lights that makes their own brightness and color. That is why it always looks bright and clear even with the intense lighting around it. While the projector threw the image into the screen using the lamps or laser, and it relies on the darkness of the room. The more ambient light you have, the worse picture you will get. And now let's take a look on the pros, cons, and the pricing comparison of each option. The main pros of the projector, that of course the lower upfront price, quickly install even on your own, and of course you can get the large image for relatively low cost. And the main cons on the opposite side, that of course the washed out image in the bright sanctuaries, bulb or laser replacement over the time, much shorter the lifespan, which is about 10,000, 20,000 hours, narrow viewing angles, and sometimes it also requires calibrations. And here's the realistic pricing reference for churches in Canada. Good quality projector will cost from $5,000 to $10,000. High output models somewhere from $15,000 to $25,000. And for the large room projectors will cost $30,000 and more. And that's not including the screen replacement or bulb cost over the years. And here's the main pros for the video wall. Bright and clear in any lighting, perfect for worship, lighting, and iMac. No any bulb replacements or regular maintenance at all. Wide viewing angles, longer lifespan, which is about 100,000 hours, and of course more reliable for large congregations or older viewers. And the main cons of the video wall, that's of course the higher upfront cost and usually requires professional installation. And here's the church specific pricing for the LED video wall, somewhere from $15,000 to $25,000 for the small churches up to 200 people, from $25,000 to $40,000. That's for the mid-sized churches up to 500 people, and from $60,000 up to $80,000. That's gonna be for the large churches, 700 people and more. And these numbers typically cover the main wall sizes, controllers, mounts, and installation. Now, let's take a look on the real visual comparison of each solution in different environments. In dark room, projector looks okay, but as soon as you add a bit of brightness, and the image gets washed out, while the LED screen stays clear and bright even with the lights pointed directly at them. So what's the right choice for your church? It really comes down to the worship style, lighting, and long-term vision. You can choose the projector if your budget is extremely tight, your sanctuary stays in the dark during the worship, and the lighting setup at your stage is very minimal. So for the small churches with the basic visual needs, the projector can still work, when an LED wall is better for your choice. Of course, if you have some modern worship lighting, you have some older people who need clear visibility, you want the long-term and low-maintenance solution, you want a professional setup that helps attract new families. And most growing churches sooner or later move to the LED walls because clarity directly impacts on engagement and bring more people into the church, that's obviously. And especially considering the lifespan reality. When projector lasts 10,000, 20,000 hours, while the LED wall lasts 100,000 hours, which is roughly 10 to 15 years of weekly services, and sometimes even more. To match the lifespan of the one LED wall, your church will need to replace 3-4 projectors plus bulbs, filters, screens, and labor. And once you factor all of those replacements, the LED wall becomes more affordable long-term investments, not the more expensive one. And if you're curious how much the LED wall costs in Canada, feel free to download our free church LED screen catalog, where we break down sizing, pricing, examples, and what churches typically choose in Canada. You will find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more LED insights. And see you in the next one.